everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you a couple of the color themed collages I have been making. So I think they're turning out pretty well and they're really fun to make. I've just been making them on an app called PicCollage, which is free and really great to use. So let's get started. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to make the collages on an app called PicCollage. So you're gonna open the app PicCollage and you're just gonna click the new button and you can choose any template you want. So then you're going to choose the color of your collage. So I'm going to be doing mint green. So the closest color to mint green, probably this one. So I'll just choose that. And then you go onto web image and you can search for aesthetic and then whatever your color is. So for me that's mint green and then just go images. So then you can look through and you can just select a few images that you like the look of, and you don't have to use all of them in your collage. So just select a few that you like, and you can also, if you have any ideas for them, you can search for them. I'm just searching for a camera. So I quite like the look of that one. And you can just have a look through and you don't have to select them, but yeah. So once you've selected a few, you can just arrange them around and you can remove them or add more. And it's really cool. So what you can do is, if you click on edit and cut out, so you can either click on scissors and trace something, or you can select a shape like that, and they even have things like stars and hearts. I'm just going to do this curved rectangle for this one. And yeah, just arrange them how you want. So for this, I'm going to cut it out in half. And another cool thing that you can do is you can click on one and then you can go back and then everything will sit on top of it. So you can just have a fiddle around with your different images. So I just need to add a few more. Okay. And just click on the image to make it appear in front. So you can also add quotes about that color. So there's like gold is the new black, or pink isn't just a color, it's an attitude, whatever you like. But once you think you've finished your collage, you can just screenshot it and add it to your photos, and then you're done. And that's how I've done most of my color collages. So I've made an album of them all. So that is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed looking at my color collages, and I hope you now know how to make them. Feel free to screenshot any of the collages and use them in your own use. And that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.